The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2015 Toyota Highlander that has a factory installed flush side rail. The flush side rail actually has fixed point connections, and we've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo base roof rack system. So this consists of the 50-inch long wing bar in silver. We also black is available as well. The Fixpoint Evo foot pack and vehicle specific fitting kit 187013. So combined, they have a total weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. This is a great system for carrying all sorts of cargo, bikes, kayaks, luggage, pretty much you name it. So you do want to make sure that your vehicle does have the chrome flush side rail. Some models are equipped with a bare roof, and that would be a completely different system. But for any questions, pricing and availability, please click on the link in the description below. Otherwise, any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to answer that. But this is just a quick walk around this particular vehicle. So that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.